Thank you. I extend my greetings to the people of Goa, to the visitors and to the people of Goa who are abroad. आणि सगळे जे हांगा आज हाजीर जाले आनी जावन पावना टीव्हींतल्यान पळयता तांकां सगळ्यांक फेस्ताची परबी. गोंयचे साहेब हे खंयच्या एक धर्मान आटापून ना. गोंयचो साहेब सांत फ्रांसीस शावेर इट हॅज गॉन बियॉन्ड द बॅरियर्स ऑफ रिलीजन बिकॉज हीज मिशन वॉज डिफरंट. इट हॅड नथींग टू डू वीथ Christian religion. He only just came to proclaim the good news that he got. So हितूंतल्यान एक बरें communal harmony जी आसा आनी बरे भशेन हांगा जर पळयशी cross section of the people, you see people from all faiths. The people's emotions, the beliefs, that has to be respected. And while saying this, I again emphasize that Old Goa is a national treasure. It's a national asset because the monuments taken together, they are recognized by the UNESCO and through the Ministry of Art and Culture, Government of India. So they are the main custodians. Government of India is the custodian of these monuments because it is a national treasure. So if you see it from that point of view, this place needs protection in the long run. The unwarranted development of buildings, the destruction of the surroundings that is taking place, the pressure on the land around is going to cause incalculable harm in time to come to this national asset. So my once again humble submission is Government of Goa has to take the lead, because to the best of my knowledge and from all the records that I have perused, and even when I was in service, whatever information I have, UNESCO is committed to the protection of this place. Ministry of Art and Culture, Government of India is committed to the protection of this place. Government of Goa also must take the lead and say that enough is enough. We will protect this place for posterity.